Hi friends, welcome to Shinwo Forming Machine Factory. I'm Calvin from Shinwo Machinery. In this video, I'll be showcasing our factory. We have a total of 10 workshops. Let's go into the first workshop first. The first workshop is the processing workshop for the basic components of our machines. This machine is one of our factory's strengths, a large gantry milling machine. This machine is 13 meters long, which means it can handle extremely long machine frames in one go. This means that compared to other factories, our machine frames are flatter, resulting in better vibration and stability. Without this machine, they can only process and weld in sections, resulting in poor overall quality and strength. However, all of our machine frames will be processed by this large gantry milling machine. This is a significant advantage we have in machining machine parts. Although it's not visible to the naked eye, the difference will become apparent over long-term use. Next is the side panel processing section of our machine. For the side panels of a machine, precise hole positioning means greater sturdiness and durability. We have a wide variety of drilling machines, and we use different machines to handle different hole diameters, avoiding errors caused by switching back and forth. This is because we have a lot of drilling machines available for use. Large gantry milling machines and numerous drilling machines ensure better quality for the frames and side plates of our machines. Next, we will introduce our CNC machining tools for rollers and roller shafts. For forming machines, the most crucial components are the rollers and shafts. Therefore, all our CNC machine tools are from well-known brands with high precision, rather than ordinary brands. We have more than a dozen of these CNC machine tools, which are used to process different parts and handle multiple orders at the same time. This is also an advantage brought about by the size and scale of our factory, which enables us to have so many professional processing equipment. The above is a showcase of our machine parts processing workshop. Good machines come from good parts. Finally, let's take a look around. I will now take you on a tour of our workshop number 2.